This demo is for 0003, the circle in AutoCAD lesson. So we're going to go ahead and start by going File, New. We're going to go to 000 and we're going to open up number 3. So it should look something like this. I'm going to start by just checking my O-snaps here. I want to make sure that my O-snaps are set to midpoint for this particular first one there. And we're going to do, the first one's going to be circle 2-point, and you notice they have midpoint, midpoint. That's why I set my O-snap to midpoint. We're going to set the layer to, well, let's see what this layer is on here. That looks like the cyan layer. So I'm going to hit escape, and we're going to set the cyan layer, and we're going to go to circle 2-point. The idea is if you pick the center of there, or the midpoint, and the midpoint of there, you have a 2-point circle. So you're picking like the first point and the second point on it. Next, the circle tangent, tangent radius, TTR, tangent, tangent radius. Looks like we're on the green layer, so we're going to set it to the green layer, and we're going to go to circle, tangent, tangent radius. So we're going to go tangent. I'm going to do this wrong the first time. I'm going to go tangent way out here, and I'm going to go tangent over here, and then the radius I'm going to type in is going to be 1.5, and notice that it goes the wrong way because of where I picked the circles. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. And let's go back and do that the right way. So we're going to go circle, tangent, tangent, radius. We're going to pick a better side here, like here and there. And we're going to set the radius to 1.5. And it's perfect. So tangent, the definition of tangent means it hits it in 1 point. So if I was to zoom in on that and zoom in on that, it's really literally hitting it in just 1 point. It's right around this area somewhere. It's really hard to see on this view, but so it's hitting it at 1 point on the circle and 1 point on the circle on the white ones. Next, this is the more typical one we do with diameter symbol. That's a diameter symbol, the distance all the way across the circle. So it looks like the yellow layer there. Yep. And we're going to set that to the yellow layer. I'm going to change my O-snaps from midpoint to intersection because I want to intersect those two red lines there. Perfect. And we're going to go to circle, center diameter. And the diameter, we want the midpoint there, and as I drag it out, we're going to type, looks like 1.5, enter. And there's your circle. We also have these tangent, tangent, radius circles. We're going to go ahead and set this to red, and we're going to go circle, tangent, tangent, radius. So we're going to go tangent. It's almost like an O-snap, but it's built into the command. Tangent, tangent, and then the radius of the circle is going to be 1. I think I've already shown you how to do those. Those are pretty simple. Just set your O-snaps to intersection and then do the circles. The last one's kind of cool here. I'm going to show you different ways to mess this one up. Looks like we're on the cyan layer there. So I'm going to set it to the cyan layer. And we're going to go circle, tangent, tangent, tangent. Now, AutoCAD's going to take you literally, so if you say tangent, 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 it's going to make it tangent to the outside, tangent to the outside, tangent to the outside. Let me delete that. You could also do it this way, circle, tangent, tangent, tangent. I could go tangent, 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 and it did exactly what I told it to do. So the one they want you to do here is we're going to go circle, tangent, tangent, tangent. Just kind of go to the inside a little bit, inside a little bit, and inside a little bit, and it'll go tangent to all 3. So again, just hits it in 1 point along the circle. So AutoCAD actually does all the math to find that center point and then put the circle in. That's it. So when you finish, I'd like you to save as, save it into your My Documents, and in that AutoCAD folder, mine's in a little different spot here, and I'd like you to save it as your initials 003, just like that. I'm not going to save this because mine's already there. All right, and that's it.